everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I'm working with Kisslove Hair. They sent me a keeper, y'all. They sent me a keeper. It is absolutely beautiful. This is a 24-inch water wave 13x4 frontal wig, and it was amazing to work with. It looks absolutely beautiful. I'm obsessed with this one. I am absolutely obsessed with this one. This one is perfect for your birthday, vacation, date night. Listen, this is so cute. She is so beautiful. The lace looks absolutely phenomenal. They just did a really good job, and this is a HD lace, y'all. Anyway, if you guys want to see me unbox this wig and install it and all that good stuff, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get started. All right, you guys, so we are back. Today we are working with Kisslove. This is my first time working with them, but the bag comes like this, and this cute little baggie. If you're a girly girl, you love cute pink shit, so you'll love this. So inside you will get a baby hair brush, elastic band, silk wrap, and some lashes. Your wig will come in this baggie like so. Right, and also on the baggie right here, I don't know if y'all can see, but it is a 13x4 24-inch 250% density, baby. Y'all, this hair is thick. All right, so this is the water wave. This is a 24-inch water wave HD wig, 250% density. Okay, this is the lace. It is a little bit pre-plucked for you guys. Yes, oh my gosh, this hair is feeling like it is so, it's so thick. And I'm gonna change my shirt because so you guys can just see it more, but I'm gonna change it in a little bit. But wow, this is so beautiful. Okay, so inside, the cap looks like this inside. Lots and lots of parting room. You got your extra lace down here, adjustable straps here, and you have 3 combs. Wow, this hair is so thick and full. I think, oh my god, this is about to be so beautiful. Okay, so here is the ends. The ends are even very thick. Wow, I wish you guys could feel this. I wish you guys could feel this, and it's not tangling up or anything. How freaking beautiful. Like, how freaking beautiful. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this. So excited. Okay, all right, so off camera I am going to pluck a little bit. I'm not sure how I'm gonna wear this curly wig. Maybe I'll do a middle part. Oh no, but I'm gonna pluck the perimeter. I'm gonna pluck the edges, and then I'm gonna put some foundation on the lace. Then I'm gonna come back and we're going to lay this together. But this is just so pretty. This wig is so thick and full, y'all. Like, I am not joking. I'm so excited about this. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay.
Cats are amazing. They can jump up to 6 times their own height, run 30 miles per hour. Their diets are made with 85 to 90% animal ingredients, with the first 5 always fresh or raw. Origin. Nourish amazing.
All right, y'all. I am done. I finished with this masterpiece. She is so beautiful. These curls are everything. I know you guys can see how full this damn wig is. It is absolutely stunning. I love it so much. So much. The lace is acting right. Okay. The lace is acting right. We love this. Okay. Absolutely love this. So all I did off camera was I did pluck the edges some. I put some foundation on the lace. Then installing it, after I installed it, I put some baby hairs in here, a little bit of sideburns. I spread some water in the curls and put a little bit of this Mixed Chicks style cream in there just to help define the curls. Okay. So yes, I put some of that curling cream in there to define the curls, and I used my little diffuser and diffused it. The hair is all the way dry now. I didn't cut any layers in it or anything. This is just exactly how it came. It looks absolutely beautiful. It was shedding a little bit, but I did pluck the perimeter, so it could be just because I plucked. But when I was combing it out and stuff, I did get some shedding, but it's curly hair, so that is to be expected. So I mean, nothing that I'm worried about at all or anything like that. Just thought I would mention that to you guys. Yes. So I freaking love. I love this wig. I love how much density there is on this wig. I love how full it is. Like, that is bomb. These curls are everything. The curl pattern is everything. The lace is thin and melting. I love that. It was just really easy to deal with. I love this wig so much. Kisslove Hair. came through, okay? Came through with a gem. Let me show you guys the back real quick. All right, so that is the back. You guys, I am obsessed with this hair. I am highly recommending it. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the details on this wig, discount codes, direct links, all that good stuff. I will have the direct link to this specific wig if you guys are interested. You should definitely be interested, okay? This hair is just phenomenal. Like, look at it. Look at it. This wig definitely speaks for itself, but listen, I'm speechless. She is absolutely beautiful. She's giving me exotica. I just love it. I absolutely love it. So anyway, that is my review on this wig. Make sure you guys check the description box for all the information. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.